In this video, we're going to draw cumulative frequency curve. Remember, when we draw a curve, you can always use freehand to draw. If not, you can also use a curve ruler. So one thing to take note is to plot the points first before we draw a smooth curve passing through all points. This question shows the amount of milk produced by 70 cows, and different cows produces different amount of milk. First of all, complete the cumulative frequency table. They have given you a hint. We start from number 7. How do we get 18? We just add 11. Because 11 is the number of cows in the next class interval. Please complete the table now. You should add this as answers. And the final answer, 70, tallies with the total number of cows. Now, based on your cumulative frequency table, you have to draw the cumulative frequency curve. Take note of some conditions. 1 cm to represent 1 liter on horizontal axis, and then 1 cm to represent 5 cows on vertical axis. Your curve should look like this, and take note there are 3 marking points. Axis, which is basically amount of milk versus number of cows. You should have the points plotted on your cumulative frequency curve. How I plot the points is, first of all, between 0 and 4 liters of milk, there are 7 cows. Next one will be 18 cows. Next one, 35 cows, 55, 65, and 70. Okay, we also start from 0 cows all the way. We also start from 0 liters of milk all the way to 14 liters of milk, which tallies my 2 ends the class intervals. And after we plot the points, we need to draw one smooth curve. 3 marking points. We'll be answering some questions based on this curve drawn. Using the curve, estimate the number of cows that produce less than 9.4 liters of milk. Well, 9.4 is impossible to find from the cumulative frequency table. Hence, we will go back to our curve to see where 9.4 is. I spot 9.4 over here, and I will dot all the way up till it reaches my cumulative frequency curve, and dot from this point all the way to the left hand side. I have 49 cows. So 49 cows is not the exact number. The textbook actually shows 50 cows. So if you get the answer 50, you are with the textbook. Find the fraction of cows produce at least 7.4 liters of milk. So at least 7.4 liters of milk, I will go back to my curve to check it out. I spot 7.4 liters here, dot all the way up to the curve, and dot to the left. At this point, this is 29 cows. But I want at least 7.4, so it must be more than 7.4. So what I'm going to do is take the total minus 29. Total 70 cows minus 29 is 41. But then find the fraction. So I will take 41 divided by 70 to get the answer. This tallies with the textbook. Find the question. Find the value of x if 70% of the cows produce at least x liters of milk. So, for this question, I would rather do the opposite. I will find 30% of the cows, and then it will give me x. So 30 times 70 will give me 21. I will go and see where are my 21 cows who produce less than x liters of milk. So 21 cows over here, dot all the way and go down. 6.4 liters of milk. So x is 6.4. Take a look at the probability question. Okay, I picked 2 cows at random from the 70 cows. Find the probability that the cows each produce less than 9.4 liters of milk. Yeah, you actually know the number based on part A. Okay, I have 49 cows. So the first cow that I pick, okay, 49 over 70, right? So this is the probability of the first cow. But take note, there's still another cow. First, I have 2 cows. So how do I calculate the probability? I'm not replacing the cows because I'm picking 2 at the same time. So minus 1, 48. 70 also need to minus 1 times 69. Okay, so this will give you the total probability. My answer would be 56 over 115 if you use 49 cows. If you get a different answer, don't worry, because you may have used the textbook answer. Okay, you may have used 50 over 70 multiplied by the minus 1 case. Will give you the answer 35 over 69.